The Chaviva 2026 solar cab lights stand out for their drill-free, adhesive-based mounting that avoids damage to the truck roof while still holding securely at highway speeds. Their primary solar charging, backed by an internal battery, keeps the lights running through long nights without needing any external wiring or connection to the truck's electrical system. A vibration-sensitive sensor automatically switches the lights on when the vehicle is moving and shuts them off shortly after stopping, so you get consistent visibility without having to remember a switch. The bright amber light output, arranged in a distinctive eye-shaped pattern, is noticeably more visible than many factory cab markers and helps other drivers see the vehicle clearly in poor weather. Installation is genuinely simple, with an activation button and peel-and-stick adhesive design that lets you test and mount each unit in minutes using only a clean, flat surface. Because they are built as sealed, weather-resistant units, these cab lights handle rain, road spray, and temperature changes well enough for everyday use on work trucks and long-haul rigs.